In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue where device encryption is not showing or not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. First, we need to check if your device actually supports encryption. If your computer is not compatible, then the option will not appear at all. Go to the search bar near the Start button and type in System Information. When you see it in the search results, click on it to open. In the System Information window, scroll down to the bottom of the list on the right side. Look for the line that says Device Encryption Support. If your device is not compatible, you will see a message with the reasons. For example, it might say something like, Reason for failed automatic device encryption. TPM is not usable. PCR 7 binding is not supported. Hardware security test failed, and so on. There are usually three main reasons for this problem. First, your system needs to have TPM 2.0, which is the Trusted Platform module. It helps with hardware-level security. Second, TPM must be enabled in your system's firmware. Even if your device has TPM, if it is turned off in the BIOS or UEFI settings, encryption will not work. Third, your system must support UEFI firmware with Modern Standby. This is a feature in newer systems that allows better power management and background tasks. If your system does not support Modern Standby, encryption may be unavailable. Now that you know how to check compatibility, let's move on. If your device does support encryption and the System Information screen says something like meets prerequisites, then you can go ahead and enable it. Close the System Information window, click on the search bar again, and type Settings. Select the Settings app when it shows up. In the Settings window, click on Privacy and Security from the left side panel. Now look for an option called Device Encryption. It may be under the Security section. If you see the Device Encryption option, click on it. There should be a toggle switch that lets you turn it on. Click the switch to enable it. Windows may take a few moments to start encrypting your device. If you do not see the Device Encryption option in the settings, it means your device is not eligible. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.